welcome back to another video. Okay, so this is part 2 of the amazing sounds. The sound tower hobbies of sounds. Yeah. So she confident. Oh sana ang isipin na lang sa... Uy, wait. Do you know the game Ride to Jeffrey? This game was created in, I don't know. Ah, we died. Kung siya nga... Look how I fall. Ang isipin na sa iyo pakiusap. Oh no, we fell back at the end. Ano ni? Wow. I don't know what it does, but... Kung siya nga... Okay, we fell back. Ang isipin na sa iyo pakiusap. His name is Idiot. Do you know why I'm quiet? Because no, the player name is Idiot.
Idiot. You know what is the meaning of idiot?
You stupid.
Idiot. Idiot.
You stupid.
I'm not stupid.
No, no. What's 9 plus 10? 21.
22, 23,
We all know it's 21.
6, 27, 28, 29, 40, 31, 32,
Okay, we can
33,
claim our
34,
reward.
35, 36, 37, 38,
Oh, we can
39.
speak Goyle. Kung siya na... sa iyo. Oh my gosh, baby. Ano pa nga? Ano man? What? Ala, nag-spawn ka pa doon. We're gonna up. We got coffee milkshake. So just enjoy the sounds because when I fall, I just get back. Oh, I have a story. Okay, just enjoy it. Okay, so this girl, she's the only one, not only one. She have a cat, and her name is Melody. Pangalan niya, the girl name is Melody. And then, while she's talking or doing something, I don't know, someone said, "Ay, naku!" Hindi. Someone told her name, Mel. Mel. Yeah, and then we're Shalom. That she's the only that she and her cat are only there. Hey fans, so it's a mimic. What do you do when you hear Bella? Bella, what do you do when you hear a mimic? First, you don't respond. Make sure they're the right people, or they can copy anyone voice or copies their their figure. Skinwalker ba? Kung sana. But that's it for today's video and bye. This will not have a part 2 and I really hope you will like and subscribe and bye.